All right, y'all, just pulled up to Target. Let's go see what we can find.
So on this trip, I did pick up a lot of the method cleaning products. Like I was telling you guys, I think that I wanted to try this brand specifically because it's toxic free and it's safe like around the kids and stuff. So I got the Method Antibacterial Bathroom Cleaner in the scent Spearmint. I don't know how I'm gonna like that, but yeah. So this is a really big bottle. This is, how many ounces is this? This is 28 fluid ounces and these are $3.99 each. Well, this one was $5.99. This one I got, it's for the daily wood cleaning, and I mainly got this so I can clean my cabinets without harming the wood, and so I can clean my kitchen table without messing it up more than I probably already have. I noticed that there's like, I think I messed it up honestly from cleaning because I think it's real wood. I'm pretty sure. I don't know, but it looks messed up, so I wanted to get a wood cleaner specifically. Then I also picked up the Method Bathroom Cleaner. This one is the this is the antibacterial method cleaner, and I also picked up the one for tub and tile cleaner. I heard this one was really good for like soap scum, okay? Soap scum on the showers and stuff. And then I picked up a Method all-purpose cleaner so I can clean like my countertops in the kitchen and stuff like that. And this one is in the scent Honeycrisp Apple, so this one probably smells really good. Which one is this? This one is in the scent Eucalyptus Mint, so a nice fresh smell. And then this one is in the smell Almond, so probably nothing, no smell.
I don't think this one has a smell.
Oh, and then I wasn't gonna get any of these, but they were on sale for $2.84, I think. So I picked up the Method all-purpose wipes. It says it cuts grease and grime, so I like to use these like on my sinks and stuff in the bathroom, just for like a quick clean during the week. Let me see if they smell like. They smell like lavender. Smell them. Lavender's like a really, I used to hate that smell, but as a grown-up, I really like it. So the next thing that I picked up is the Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. I love using this stuff. Just squirt it in the tub, squirt it in the toilet, and you know, let it sit, and then go ahead and wipe it out.
I like the smell.
It smells really good. I didn't get lavender in any of these cleaning scents just because sometimes it can be a little strong. So anyways, the next thing that I got was this Palmolive coconut water and jasmine scent dish soap.
It smells so good.
It smells so good. Anything with jasmine smells good though, right?
Yeah, because it's journey.
So I also picked up some Mr. Clean magic erasers. These are just really good to use on pretty much anything. So I had to get some of these, and you get 3 in the box. Then I like to pick up these just regular little sponges. You get a pack of 4 for like $1 or something, and I like to use this on my dishes or just whenever I have to clean up something. And while I was going through their clearance section, they always have so much stuff on their clearance. I got a few things on clearance, but I picked up these Airwick pure, what are these called? Like the refills to the, you know, you stick them in your wall, and this scent smells so good. It's Miami Beach hibiscus. Smell this, babe. Are you hungry? Well, I don't know. And these were on sale for $4.24 each. They smell good, huh? So also while I was there, I went ahead and picked up some razors because I needed that. I also picked up some soap. We like to use the Dove soap. This one is in the scent jasmine. See, everything in jasmine smells so good. This one is jasmine and coconut milk. Oh, and then so I picked up these little baby Dr. Bronner's soaps. I got citrus and lavender. I got a few of these. They're $1 each, $1.99 each. So I want to transition from using bar soaps to using these soaps. These are really good soaps. Like, he don't know it. He's a man. He don't know. But these you can use on your body. Try the big bottles are $15.99, so I didn't want to get those and if I wasn't gonna like it. Oh, also on clearance, I picked up some more deodorant. This is the Dove Rose Spray scent, and it was on sale for $5.
And you got a sponge and
Oh, and then randomly while I was there, I needed some more foundation. This is just random. I picked up some Maybelline foundation, some mascara from Wet n Wild, and that Sonia Kashuk sponge, but that was just random pickups. Oh, and then I also picked up some paper towels because we go through these. Our kids use these all the time.
I like the color.
So yeah, that's everything that I picked up on this Target shopping trip. And I'm getting ready to film my Extreme Clean with Me, the bathroom version. If you have not seen my kitchen cleaning up video, living room and all that stuff, I'll have it linked in the description box or somewhere on the screen. I'm excited. I'm like in the mood to clean. I can't wait to try all these Method products. If you guys have tried these, let me know down in the comments down below.
Mommy,
But that's it for this video.
I can't wait to help you.
I'm about to go clean up, you guys, and feed my babe. Come on, you wanna say hi?
No.
You wanna say hi? Let's go clean up. Nobody cares about your hair. I'm about to clean up the house, and that's basically it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up and comment down below, and I'll see you in my next one.